Hello friends, welcome back to Devananda OIFS Junior,
and today we are looking at our third chemistry class. Our third chemistry class, and I told that today we are looking at certain scientists, certain chemists who worked a lot in the field of chemistry. Okay, first of all we have Robert William Boyle, popularly known as Robert Boyle. Okay, first of all, Robert Boyle is known as the father of modern chemistry. He is known as the father of modern chemistry. Okay, and next, he was one of the first people to do experiments in controlled environments. Okay, mainly during the period of alchemy, there were no strict controlled environments. They would just do experiments without any safety precautions. He was one of the first people to do experiments in controlled environments. And next, Robert Boyle, he played an important role in separating chemistry from alchemy. Okay, he played an important role. How? He wrote the book called The Skeptical Chemist. Okay, in this book he said about the contrast between alchemy and chemistry, and this is how he took chemistry from alchemy. He separated these two subjects. So these were the contributions of Robert Boyle. Okay. Next we have Antoine Lavoisier. Okay, Antoine Lavoisier. He was a revolutionary chemist. Okay, he brought in many changes. Okay, then Antoine Lavoisier, what contributions did he give to the field of chemistry? Okay, he named the elements carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, he named these elements carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, these are the symbols: carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. And next, he discovered about the role of oxygen in respiration, means about breaking down glucose molecules to release energy that happens in our body, right? And about the role of oxygen in breathing. And then combustion, he found about the role of oxygen in combustion. What is combustion? Combustion is just burning. Okay, combustion is just burning when things bond with oxygen to change. Okay, so that is combustion. And he found about the role of oxygen in respiration and combustion. And next, people thought that water was an element. Okay, but Antoine Lavoisier proved that water is not an element but it is a compound. Okay, so water, he found out that it was not an element but rather a compound. Okay, so when you take the set of compounds, water is there in it. So these were the contributions given by Antoine Lavoisier. Next we have John Dalton. He's a bit famous. Okay, he's famous. And John Dalton, he found out that matter consisted of small atoms, and he was more like a physicist. Okay, more than a chemist, he was a physicist. Okay, and John Dalton found that matter was made of atoms, and he made the Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, he made the Dalton's atomic theory, and this was almost correct, but one point was wrong. He said that the atom was indivisible. Okay, but that's not true. Really, you can just split open atoms and you can see subatomic particles, and these discoveries were in the late 20s. Okay, so that proved that this point in the Dalton's atomic theory was wrong. Okay, so Dalton, he was known for his theory about Dalton's atomic theory, and he contributed a lot to the field of physics and chemistry. Okay, next we have Dmitri Mendeleev. Dmitri Mendeleev is most renowned for his famous periodic table. Can you see? This is the periodic table. The periodic table, it is a table consisting of 7 rows, and the elements are arranged in this table using the periodic law. Okay, so this was Dmitri Mendeleev. He discovered the periodic law. Okay, the periodic law. Okay, and next we have Acharya P.C. Rai. From the name itself you can understand that he is an Indian scientist. Okay, he was an Indian scientist, and he was prominent in the field of biochemistry, means in the medical industry. Okay, he was prominent in the field of biochemistry, which is the medical industry. Okay, what were his contributions? He introduced the first pharmaceutical company in India, and thanks to Acharya P.C. Rai. Okay, next we have a famous person. Okay, Marie Curie. Okay, she is so famous. Okay, and she was famous for discovering radium. Okay, she discovered radium. Radium is a radioactive element. Okay, and radium was a radioactive element. Okay, and then she found a portable X-ray machine. A portable X-ray machine. Okay, means you can carry it along. Okay, it is portable, a portable X-ray machine. And what happened? It helped in saving lives. Okay, in World War I. Okay, this portable X-ray machine helped in saving many lives during World War I. And she was awarded the Nobel Prize. Okay, the Nobel Prize 2 times. Okay, Marie Curie was awarded the Nobel Prize 2 times, and that's about Marie Curie. And let us look into some other scientists. Okay, so let us look into these scientists. First of all, we have Marie Curie. She discovered radium. Okay, we just discussed about that. And next we have Joseph Priestley, who discovered oxygen. And next we have Daniel Rutherford, who discovered nitrogen. And then Sir Humphrey Davy. Okay, he isolated potassium and sodium, means he took the pure forms of potassium and sodium for the first time. And Sir Humphrey Davy also found a safety lamp. Okay, he also found a safety lamp, and it is used by mine workers when they are in close contact with inflammable gases. Okay, it can just cause a large fire and kill them. So Humphrey Davy just found a safety lamp, and this was really helpful. And next we have William Ramsay. Okay, William Ramsay, he discovered helium, argon, krypton and xenon. There are 6 noble gases, and 4 of them he discovered, Sir William Ramsay. Okay, so the noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Okay, and next we have Henry Cavendish. Henry Cavendish is known to have discovered hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Henry Cavendish discovered hydrogen and carbon dioxide. And that's it for today. And we'll be looking into certain uses of chemistry in daily life in the next video. Thank you.